To change your Webull account to a cash account, follow these steps. First, log into your Webull account on the mobile app or website. Navigate to the account settings or profile section, usually represented by a gear icon or your profile picture. Select the account type or settings option. Then click on the account type you are currently using, which is likely a margin account. You will see the option to change your account type to a cash account. Before proceeding, review the differences between a margin and cash account, as this change will affect your ability to borrow money and trade on margin. Once you understand the implications, confirm that you want to change your account to a cash account. You may need to sell or close any open positions that are using margin or have any pending trades that are on hold due to the account type change. Wait for the account type change to be processed, which may take a few minutes or up to a few hours, depending on the current market and Webull's processing times. After the change is complete, review your account settings to ensure that it now reflects a cash account. With a cash account, you will only be able to trade with the available cash balance in your account, and you will not be able to short sell or trade on margin. This account type is best for beginners or those who want to avoid the risks associated with margin trading. Remember to always review and understand the terms and conditions of your brokerage account, and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and understanding the differences between account types, you can successfully change your Webull account to a cash account and start trading with confidence.